my name is Allie. I'm from Salon Ciseaux. Due to COVID-19, there have been a few changes in everyone's life. We are going to show you a short film on how to do your family member's hair at home. So, you will need your kit for color that you've taken home from the salon, or you can use a bowl and a brush. Few things you'll need: clips, barrier cream, color. You are going to section your family member's hair out into 4 sections, like so. Then you will take your barrier cream. If you do not have barrier cream at home, you can use petroleum jelly or heavy makeup on the hairline. You're going to take your barrier and go as follows. There. Then you will open your kit, and in your kit is as follows. You have your color, you have your nozzle, you have your barrier cream, and you have a few rubber bands to make sure this stays closed. You will open, you will insert your tip, turn. You will now stand behind your family member. You will push down on your kit and you will rub in as follows. You will then part the hair and continue to do so. This kit is for your T-zone and hairline. Then you will take your family member's hair back. You will go onto the hairline as follows, and you will press the color in. You do not go down to the ends of the hair. This is only strictly for root touch-up. After you have waited 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the time that you sit in the salon to process your color, you will shampoo, condition, and style as desired. If you do not have shampoo and conditioner or a kit, you can call the salon or email us, and we will have shampoo, conditioner, and color kits available for you. You can pull up curbside and we will hand deliver them to you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.